I know the Indiegogo campaign is about to end and you're wanting some updates on this bike. Now I've been working with them and they saw the video about the noise that the tires created, and these were the tires that came with the bike. These were the original ones, these knobby, thick treaded ones. What they did is they went ahead and they sent me a new pair of tires that they're gonna be putting on the bike now. And these are a street style type tire. They're Kenda. They have a lot better tread on them and they're a lot quieter. We're gonna go take it out on the road so you guys can hear the difference. I am a big fan of these tires, but check it out. You're gonna hear everything quiet up once I get up to speed. Listen to how quiet we are now at 30 miles an hour. And with these new tires, you can go off-road, which is not that big deal. It's not like you're gonna hit mountain bike trails with this bike, so any off-road beaten paths are just fine. With my version, since it was a pre-production model, my motor is still gonna make noise. It's not like we can take that part away. I wasn't able to get any info on if they were making any changes to the motor, but I know just by changing these tires out, it's made a big difference on the noise. Well, that is all the changes that I have so far on the Mihogo NX. They are also sending me the back rack and the panniers with the battery holder. So whenever that comes in, I'll go ahead and do another video showing you what that looks like on the bike. But like I said before, I do believe that they're listening to us and they're making the appropriate changes that they can for this bike. So thanks for watching. I hope this update helped you. And until I see you again, enjoy the ride.